If Steam is showing error 31, the good news is that this is usually a driver or device conflict, not a permanent problem with your account or your games. This error often happens when Steam's hardware-level services fail to initialize correctly, especially things like Steam streaming speakers, Steam streaming microphone, controller drivers, or conflicting audio software. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Steam launching normally again. And before we get into it, if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's start with the most common solution: updating or reinstalling the Steam streaming drivers. These virtual drivers help Steam handle audio and input features, but sometimes they get stuck or corrupted and trigger error 31. To check this, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Once you're in Device Manager, look under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. If you see Steam streaming speakers or Steam streaming microphone and there's a yellow warning icon next to either one, that's a strong sign the driver is causing the issue. Right-click the device and choose Uninstall Device. If you see a checkbox to remove the driver software, you can leave that unchecked unless you specifically want a full clean reinstall. After uninstalling, restart Steam. In many cases, Steam will detect the missing driver and reinstall it automatically the next time it launches. If that does not fix it, the next thing to try is disabling Steam input for controllers. A lot of users run into error 31 because Steam is trying to communicate with a controller, wheel, or flight stick, and the handshake fails during startup. So first, unplug any connected controllers, racing wheels, adapters, or flight sticks. Then launch Steam again and see if it opens normally. If Steam works after disconnecting them, the controller configuration is probably the conflict. Go into Steam settings, open the controller section, and disable any unused external gamepad settings or Steam input options that you do not need. If you only use mouse and keyboard, turning off unnecessary controller support can often stop the error from coming back. Now, let's move on to repairing the Steam service. This is important because Steam service is what helps Steam communicate properly with hardware on your system. If that service gets corrupted, error 31 can keep happening even after reinstalling drivers. To do this, first close Steam completely through Task Manager so it is not still running in the background. Then press Windows plus R to open the run box. Type CMD and then press Ctrl, Shift and Enter together to open Command Prompt as administrator. Once the admin command prompt opens, type the Steam repair command exactly like this: C:\program files x86 /steam /bin steamservice.exe/repair. Then press enter. You may not see a big window or progress bar, so don't worry if it seems like nothing is happening. Just wait a moment for the repair to finish, then close the command prompt and relaunch Steam. This can fix broken service files that are behind the driver conflict. If you are still getting the error, check for third-party audio software. This is another very common cause because apps like Voicemeeter, SteelSeries, Sonar, Nahimic, or other virtual audio mixers can interfere with the audio hook Steam needs. When that happens, Steam may think a device is missing or conflicting, which can trigger error 31. Close any virtual audio software completely before opening Steam. Also, go into your Windows sound settings and make sure your default playback device is set to your actual speakers or headphones, not a virtual device. Once you do that, try launching Steam again. In a lot of cases, simply removing the audio conflict is enough to fix the issue immediately. If Steam still is not opening after these steps, go back and repeat the most likely fix for your setup. For most people, it is either the Steam streaming driver, controller support, or third-party audio software causing the conflict. The key is to isolate the device or service that is failing to initialize and remove that conflict one step at a time. So to quickly recap, Steam error 31 usually means a driver or device conflict, and the best fixes are reinstalling the Steam streaming drivers, disabling controller input conflicts, repairing the Steam service, and removing third-party audio software that may be taking over your audio devices. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming and PC troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.